morning and happy hiking Saturday.
Hello.
We are in the beautiful Columbia River Gorge.
Yeah.
And today we are going to do the Latourell Falls Trail Loop.
Yep.
It's somewhere between 2 and 3 miles, we're not quite sure.
Something like that.
639
feet
in elevation.
Oh.
Beautiful waterfall we're about to see, so let's go.
We're between rainstorms, so we got about a 2 or 3 hour window. So
we're gonna get this sucker done.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Oh, there's an upper falls. Upper falls is 134 feet, and this one's 205.
Oh. Breaking news, folks. We're gonna have 2 falls today.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So Latourell Falls is located on the historic Columbia River Highway, which was completed in 1915. And Latourell Falls has a 239-foot drop. So you guys know how I feel about gorge hikes. They're super busy, super populated, especially on Saturdays. I will say this hike there's hardly any cars in the parking lot. It is a Saturday and we pretty much have the trail to ourselves and it's been amazing so far. Big thumbs up on this one.
Wow. We have made it to the upper falls.
I think this one is like 225 feet.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it is so much. No words.
Holy moly, we're getting blasted here. Woo! Would you look at the size of that thing?
go. Okay, really muddy. I think if you can hold this.
Yeah, I'm not going other.
We are done with the cliff and we're coming down. So now we got to do a little road crossing and head back down to the Latourell Falls and go over the bridge.
Stop, look, and listen before you cross the street.
No, it's stop, collaborate, and listen.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Wow.
What the hell was that?
Sorry, folks.
I think we're getting married again. It's definitely more beautiful down here than it is when you're up there.
Finish.
Good job. Alright, well that is our time at Latourell Falls and Crown Point Viewpoint. What an amazing hike that was. I can't believe we got to see 2 waterfalls.
Oh, yeah.
So cool.
Amazing. Not that many people on a Saturday.
In January, gorge hikes,
Yeah.
thumbs up.
Time the weather right. But now we're getting dumped on.
Yeah, so we did about 2.4 miles, 600 feet elevation gain. It was actually a pretty easy hike. Muddy and slippery, so make sure you're wear the right shoes.
Yep.
But yeah.
Amazing. And the car just went to our favorite brewery. Oh,
In
man.
Portland?
Yeah. We are at Level Beer on Airport Way, on the border of Oregon and Washington, and we're getting rained on, so we're gonna get some beers.
All right,
So,
well, don't forget to like and comment.
Yeah.
And then don't forget to subscribe to see what our next adventure is, because we have some really cool stuff coming up.
Yeah.
So, thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye. Look at the old cars. The bridge used to be white. Oh no, look at it. All apart. Let's go. Let's do it. Did you get the ferns in the shot, did ya? I don't want it. Yeah.
Definitely more beautiful down here than it is when you're up there.
That's what she said. Boom.
Oh, there's an upper falls.
Can you take an upper decker on the upper falls? Huh? Oh, it's so calm. Got a little nipply going over the pass.